Today I will show you how to print a full-size picture of a background within Word document. So let's open a Word document. If you are using the page color, file effects, pictures, select picture from my desktop. You can see the dog is in the middle of the paper and it is a background. So to print it as a background, to print the background, you need to check Print Background Color in Options Display. Let's see the print preview. At the preview, you can only see half of the dog. But if you save as PDF, see actually the print, when you print it from the printer, it is like this. So we want to print the full size of the only one dog as a background. How can we do that? First, let's see the size of the document is 8.5 times 11. We need to make the picture as the same size. So you can use you can use Photoshop. But in my case, I will use in PowerPoint. Open a PowerPoint. Then let's change the size. Customer slide size. Select portrait and change the width to 8.5. Height change to 11. Click OK. Select Maximize. Then insert that picture again from my desktop. Enlarge it. From the preview, you can see the actually which part you select. Save it as a picture. Let's save to desktop again. Select PNG. Save. Replace. Just this one. Close that. Do not need save. Then go back to Word document. From design, let's erase the background. Now we need to use watermark. Customize watermark. Picture watermark. Select picture. Select the picture. We just added the correct size. Insert it. Click Apply. You can see it is wash out. So uncheck that. Apply. It has the correct color. And the scale, we need to change it to 100%. Apply. Now you see it is the full size of the picture. Close. So right now it is the background. Let's see the print preview. And let's see what's the printout effect. Save as a PDF. So you don't really print a paper to see what's real printout result. You can save as a PDF to see the result. It is same as you use a printer. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video.